I'll show you why your stomach sounds like a roaring lion before lunch. Are you curious or just hungry for answers? Stick around and you'll never look at snack time the same way again. Okay, here's the deal. Your stomach is like a washing machine for food, always churning and mixing, even when it's empty. When you're hungry, your brain tells your digestive system to wake up and get moving, literally. Muscles in your stomach contract. Muscles in your intestines contract, making air slosh around, making digestive juices slosh around. That rumbling sound, it's called borborygmi. Yep, it has a name. It's totally normal, and it's just your body's way of saying, hey, feed me. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. It's just science doing its thing. Hungry for more fun facts? Hit that like and follow.